Hello, lovely student. Welcome to Science Classes e-learning platform. Let's continue with the chapter Understanding Elementary Shape. Okay. To start exercise 5.5. All the previous exercises we have already completed. You guys can go and check it out. Okay. And if you have seen, okay, so please do like and subscribe my channel. Okay, for your support. So let's check it out what the question number 1 is saying. Which of the followings are models for perpendicular line? Perpendicular line. Okay. And what are perpendicular line? I've already explained this in the introduction part of this particular chapter. You guys can check it out. Okay. Over here, I'm giving you the so over here I will introduce you okay a little bit. Okay. So perpendicular line. Perpendicular line means when the lines are intersecting each other at 90 degree. At 90 degree. Okay. Means two lines are there and they are intersecting each other at 90 degree, means it is intersecting at 90 degree. Okay, then it is known as perpendicular line. Okay, it is known as perpendicular lines. Okay, so we have to check it out whether in this particular whatsoever examples are given, whether the angles is of 90 degree or not. Okay, so number one, A is saying an adjacent edges of a tabletop. Okay, means if we make a table, okay, it is like this. Okay, so means adjacent end means the ends which are meeting okay each other, okay, intersecting at some point. Okay, so table will always intersect at 90 degree, always intersect at 90 degree. Okay, so it is known as perpendicular line. Okay, because they are making a 90 degree angle. Okay, so this one is correct. A lines of a railway track, if we draw a railway track, it is always like this. Okay, and railway tracks are always an example of what? It is an example of parallel lines. Very good. It is an example of parallel lines because they never intersect each other. Okay, so whenever we have to give an examples of a parallel lines, okay, then we will take this particular example. Okay, so it is not a perpendicular lines. These are known as okay, not a perpendicular lines. Okay, so we can say no. The lines segment forming a letter L. Okay, whenever we make L, we make it like this. Okay, so you can check it out. It is forming a 90 degree angle. It is forming a 90 degree angle. So yes, it is a perpendicular line because 90 degree, the formation of 90 degree angles, okay, is always contain a parallel line. Okay, so a letter V. If we draw a letter V, we will draw it like this. Okay, and it means it is intersecting over here, but it is not a 90 degree angle. It is not a 90 degree angle. So, okay, so we can say no, it is not. Okay, so I hope you guys understood how we have done this particular question. The question is very easy, just you have to be very particular and you have to remember what are perpendicular lines, what are parallel lines. You have to remember all these things. Okay, so please, if you haven't watched my introduction part, you guys can go and check it out. Okay, next question we will do in the next video. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye, take care.